watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
We've had two partly to mostly sunny days. We had a south wind today, and still temperatures are only in the low 20s at this hour. We got 24 Grand Rapids, 23 Hudsonville, 23 on the beach at Grand Haven, and also 23 in Kalamazoo. So any precipitation that we do get tonight is going to be sticking to the roads. Let's take a look at Storm Track Live. You can see some mixed precipitation coming in our direction. This is all very, very light. In fact, if you look across into Wisconsin, we really haven't had much ground truth to this. Most of this not even reaching the ground, but we have had some reports of trace amounts. This area of snow right here has been reaching the ground a little bit, and that's about 2 hours away from Oceana County. And I want to track this down in here because I think as this comes up, we have a better chance for picking up some precipitation with that. That's about 7 hours away. So bottom line is this is mainly just trace amounts, and as this comes down through, you can see that purple color right there. There could be a little touch of freezing drizzle mixed in with a couple of snowflakes. Any snow tonight would be less than 1 inch in terms of accumulation. So let's take a look at the evening. For the next couple of hours, shouldn't be too bad in Grand Rapids, about 25 degrees. After 9 o'clock, chance for mainly flurries, maybe a drop of freezing drizzle mixed in. It should all be very, very light here. But it will be cold enough, and that means this will be sticking to the grounds. Again, a combination of a little bit of light snow and a touch of freezing drizzle out there. Can't rule out some icy spots developing late tonight and during the early morning hours, but temperatures are going to warm above freezing by around 9, 10 o'clock. And I think that being the case, conditions should improve quite a bit for the midday and afternoon. Here's a look at temperatures right now. It's only 21 at Sturgis. We got 23 Grand Rapids, Battle Creek, 24 in Grand Rapids. It's actually been a little bit warmer off to the north here. They've had a little bit more sunshine during the late afternoon, still up in the upper 20s. Wind's not terribly strong. We're 12 miles an hour Grand Rapids. Most everybody should be around 5 to 10 miles an hour overnight tonight. So here's what we're seeing in terms of precipitation reaching the ground. Not much during the evening hours here. I think we're up to about 28 by midnight. And later on tonight, these little pockets of flurries will pass on by. Dusting certainly, possibly a little bit of freezing drizzle mixed in. But temperatures should be up closer to the freezing mark by daybreak tomorrow, around 30 or so. And then during the day tomorrow, temperatures get above freezing, at least up into the mid-30s. And if you're northwest of Grand Rapids, we may see a smidgen of sunshine there mixed in. As the system scoots on by, we are going to be seeing a return toward more snow for Thursday night. This is a winter storm watch for the southern tier counties, and that is for, again, tomorrow night. Our computer forecasting that we're going to see as you put the clock in motion here, nothing much going on until about midnight. Then the snow comes maybe an inch as far as Grand Rapids, could be as much as 3 or 4 inches down toward Coldwater. Again, that would be for Thursday night. So here's the forecast. Again, tomorrow, just a touch of freezing drizzle or snow in the very early morning, 37 in the afternoon. Snow Thursday night into Friday, could produce several inches off to the southeast of Grand Rapids. None of the system coming our way on Monday looks like it will be mostly rain, with 40 in the morning and 30 late in the day. So
okay,
parade of storms continues.
Yeah. Thank you, Bill.